Good morning or welcome to another trading update. Happy Friday. Bitcoin's still ticking up ever so slightly, but the trading volumes are somewhat depressed. You can see how the last 3 days had a really big spike. Yesterday, back to the levels that we'd been seeing over the last few weeks on average. We've got an options expiry coming up today. I doubt that'll be very eventful, purely because most of the option covering the sellers do in terms of hedge their position happens in the week or so before. So I think the most of that we've seen already. Similar to the futures market, any people rolling their futures position further on won't really do that on the last day. I think the majority of position rolling has already taken place. One thing that I did want to highlight was just to show you the amount of Bitcoins that have been taken off exchanges this week. Look at this, almost 120,000 or 120,000 BTC taken off exchange. You can see how big a number this is compared to the entire bull run that we've had over the last year at least. So a lot of people buying Bitcoin, taking it off, holding it in wallets off exchanges, normally a very bullish signal. RSIs are now starting to touch into positive territory a bit more. The funding rates are looking to go into going into positive territory right now. RSI also at 71, which is the highest level that it's been at since March. So we could see, as we've been saying throughout the week, a slight pullback down to the 36K area. I see three main scenarios happening at the moment. One, we break this resistance level and carry on moving to 50 straight away, which doesn't seem too likely, just given the lack of momentum that we're seeing at the moment. Scenario two, we fake out, try and do an initial run up to 42, reverse, then come back down, hit 36K, and then continue with the upwards trend. Or the third scenario is that we come down straight away, test the middle of the 30s area, and then go back up. So two of those scenarios do include a slight consolidation. One just assumes a continued bull run. I should state for fairness, there is a chance that prices keep going down. But right now, given the kind of technical indicators and the general sentiment in the market, I don't really see that happening. In the short term, as mentioned, 36K area is a good level of support. 34K as well, which is where prices topped out for a little bit in the middle of July, and then finally kind of our safety net, so to speak, is in between 30 and 32K. Let us know if you have any questions. Apart from that, have a good trading day.